Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 21st of July 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla, and the upcoming expiry this week is on the 26th. So we can see that the CE and PE increase, that's positive. Quantity is higher for CE, that's negative. Change is higher for CE, that's positive. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. The PCR is lower than last week, that's negative, and it's below 1. Implied and historical volatility are both up, that's 2 negatives. RSI is lower, that's negative. No divergence, that's positive. ADX is higher, that's positive. ATR is higher, that's negative. The EMAs are both higher. VWAP is lower, that's negative. Pivot point is higher, that's positive, and the candlestick is bearish. The new support is 250. Previous week's support was 230. The resistance is 260. The previous week's resistance was 250. And the prediction this week is that Tesla goes down according to the option chain. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.